Johnny Leach out of Bernie, Texas, back in 4th. So Morris 3rd, Johnny Leach 4th, and Buddy Hughes, number 73, out there on the east side of the track in 5th. And we are off to the races here, the Vet 25 Amateur. We've got, it looks like we got a bike number 1 out front. So you guys, not sure who that is, but we got a bike 1 out front. It's just a white number stuck on a brand new bike. John, do you want to stop him on this first lap and ask him who he is?
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt your moto here, but we need to know who you are. Yeah, you please proceed. Carry on, carry on. Oh, somebody just screamed. Yep, that is Buddy. Buddy Hughes, I heard a kid scream. Buddy Hughes, number 73. Put him to bed, he needs a nap. There is Buddy Hughes, number 73, getting the checkered flag, exiting the exit chute. Good ride there by Buddy Hughes. And we're going to bring you the Vet 25 amateur action. Leading the pack into the fence line rhythm section is bike number 1 on a brand spanking new, looks like Honda. He's going to be followed by the Kawasaki, the 163 of Kyle Ludwig. So it's Ludwig in 2nd on the Kawasaki, bike number 1 in 1st. Back in 3rd, it's going to be the 104. No, that ain't right. Maybe one, no. Yeah, 104 in 3rd. So I don't have a 104 either. 104 is in 3rd. 4th place is going to be the 131 of Casey Gibbs.